meeting you. For good evening to go. We are having here thus Padma Shri Vikramjit Singh Ji Sani, International President of World Punjabi Organization, with whose of efforts this all exhibition and exhibits scholars like Siddharth Lochan Singh Ji and head priest of our Gurdwara Bangla Sahib, head Granthi Bhai Ranjit Singh Ji, who has great study on and the knowledge on Guru Granth Sahib. So they are all here with his efforts, and I welcome him to please deliver his address. Mr. Vikramjit Singh Ji Sani. Thank you, sir.
His Excellency Hardeep Suri Ji, Indian Ambassador to the UAE, Kandahari Sahib, Chairman of the Guru Nanak Darbar, Surjit Singh Ji, President WPO Abu Dhabi, Sir Hawan Sani Ji, Periwal Sahib, Paras Shadat Puri Ji, Bipin Bhatia Ji, Siddharth Lochan Singh Ji, former Chairman Minorities Commission, Sade Gurdeep Singh Tomar Ji, and other leading personalities of Sikh Sangat, and above all Gyani Singh Sahib, Ranjit Singh Ji. Gur Fateh, Satgur Nanak Pragateya, Mitti Tund Jag Chanan Hua, Gurmukh Kal Vich Pragat Hua. Guru Nanak Dev Ji, as Navdeep Suri Ji had said, had born at a very critical stage when India was on one side ruled by such rulers who were oppressing their subjects in several ways, and on the other hand, the clergy was exploiting the masses by enforcing caste system and futile rituals. Kal Kati, Raje Kasai, Taram Pankh Kar Udreya, Kud Amavas Sach Chandrama, Dise Nahi Neh Chadya. I think it was at this critical juncture that Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born to spread the message of equality, secularism, peaceful coexistence, and universal brotherhood. And famous poet Allama Iqbal had said, "फिर उठी आखिर सदा तौहीद की पंजाब से, हिंद को एक मर्दे कामिल ने जगाया ख्वाब से." The main teaching of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, as Sheikh Al Nehan was saying and our ambassador Navdeep Suri Ji was saying, was, as we have shown in the paintings outside, out of our museum at Gurdwara Shri Bangla Sahib, the main thing, what he said, the most contributing thing was that God is one. Ikkyo Onkar. बहुत बड़ी गल उन्होंने कह दी, इक्यो ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभंग गुर प्रसाद. There is but one God, truth is his name, he is the master creator, he disdains none, he is eternal, he is beyond incarnation, and he is realized through grace of true Guru. Koi bole Ram Ram, koi Khudaye, koi seve Gusaiya, koi alai. The other teaching of Sahib Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, which is relevant in today's world, is shed the rituals. He said, Daya Kapas Santokh Soot Sat Gandi At Vand Ehu Janeu Ji Ka Hai Tapande Kat. He even went to a mosque and told the Daulat Khan of Sultanpur Lodi that while you were physically here, but your mind was far away trading horses in Arabia. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji ne farmaya, Meher Maseed, Sidq Musalla, Haq Halal Quran, Saram Sunit Seal Roza, Hoy Musalman. So he advocated a Hindu to be a good Hindu, a Muslim to be a good Muslim, and have a very tolerant society. And we are grateful that this year of 550th year of Guru Nanak Dev Ji's Prakashpur is coinciding with the year of tolerance in UAE. The other contribution, major contribution of Guru Nanak Dev Ji was on gender equality, and he said, "So kyo manda akhiye Jit Jamme Rajan. How you can call a woman, our sisters, our mothers, lowly and have differentiation when all they give birth to the warriors, to the kings and great human beings of this world. It was a big statement to bring equality in the society. Even nowadays we hear sometimes our mothers and sisters were not allowed to this temple or this religious place. Pand jamiye, pand nimiye, pand mangal viyaho, pando hove dosti, pando chale raho, pand mua, pand paliye, pand hove bandhan, so kyo manda akhiye, jit jamme raja. He even raised his voice against oppression and fought against injustice. He vehemently protested Babur's attack against masses when he invaded Ahmedabad. And he said, Paap di janj le Kabul taya jori mangay daan ve lalo, saram taram doe chap khaloe, kood phire pardhan ve lalo. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji said, Eti maar pai kurlane, taiki dard na hai. So each and every part of the society he touched, whether it was God is one or gender equality, exploitation of the poor by the rich, as we have shown in the paintings, as His Excellency was explaining to His Excellency Sheikh Nehan, that how he proved that it is the blood which runs out of a rich man's loaf and it is the milk which runs out of a poor man's who work hard. And then he said 3 principles of life: kirt karo, vand chako, or naam japo. See how beautiful. Socialism, Das Kapital, dialectical materialism, which we all studied in universities, came way back, so many years after. But he said 550 years back, born in 1469, that work hard, share your gains with the poor people, and worship one God and meditate. And he said, Ek noor te sab jag upjya, kaun pale ko mande. And his message was, again, very few people know that Guru Nanak was the first one. Today we talk about global warming. He said, Pavan Guru, Pani Pita, Mata Dhart Mahat. And you know, he went to Jagannath Puri and their Aarti was there, but he says, whole universe is doing, all planets are doing a Aarti in the honor of the Almighty, Akal Purkh. So many noble thoughts. And he himself was in Kartarpur and he himself practiced. He did farming. He did that langar to sadhus with 20 rupees. So he demonstrated, he didn't preach only. He practically demonstrated. And Sabto Vadigal, a big thing he said, don't shun world. Don't shun world to go to Himalayas. Grasti Jivan is very important in your lives. You do all the good things while doing your business. Baba, Maya Saath na hoye. Siddharth Puri ji, you were out. I said, Baba, Maya Saath na hoye, in Maya jag moheya, virla ujhay koi. He has written, it is our moral duty to propagate the teachings of Guru Nanak to our younger generation in every form. Like Ambassador Navdeep Suri ji said, he was universal prophet. To confine Guru Nanak Dev Ji as a founder of Sikh, of course he was founder of Sikh religion, but to confining him to Sikhs, because he said Sindhis are his followers. You see, there are paintings, he went to Baghdad, he went to Dhaka, he went to Sri Lanka, he went to Afghanistan, he went to even Makkah, and I was personally explaining to Sheikh Al Nehan just now that he said to the priest there that please move my feet in the direction where there is no God. So it was his symbolical message that God is omnipresent, God is omnipotent, and above all, his message was, which should be our back fiber of our life, Nanak Naam Chaddi Kala Tere Pane Sarbata Pala. Gurfat.